Hey everybody, Ted again with Quality Home Inspections. Doing this new construction today. So I just wanted to point out the furnace to you, show you how these guy installed it. Flip this around real quick. So as you can see, that bad boy is way out of level. The return duct's hanging, not supported. Furnace is leaning hard to the left because that ductwork's pulling on it. And then if I look at the actual furnace feet, this black thing right here, I gotta gap my fingers under there. This left side, or excuse me, right side, not even down on the ground. The pan's damaged. It just keeps getting better. The condensate pump is not installed correctly. And you know, all this tape work here, shoddy. I mean, look at that hole in there. Air leakage. Got air leakage here. Got it here. Just very, very shoddy work. So what I'm going to do is just ask the builder to bring the HVAC guy back out and fix all this stuff. Let's get this right, you know, because this is going to put a lot of undue stress on the equipment. And then, you know, these people are going to be stuck with this down the road. So just want to point that out. Thanks for watching. It's Ted with Quality Home Inspections.